Within Baselinker Warehouse, you can make changes to the products directly in the product card, but you can also do it on the product list. To make mass changes to many products at the same time, go to the Products tab, then Product List. Select relevant items. We can, of course, select all the items on this page by clicking Select All here. Then we move to Operations. Here you'll find all of the operations relevant to making changes to the products which we can execute on the product list. We'll go into the Wizard option at the end. For now, we'll focus on all the other options. Here we can, for example, edit all the products in the sheet. We click on this option, and here we can tick several elements we want to change in the products we just selected. For example, EAN, length, the default price, and manufacturer. Once we select all the fields, we click on Open. And now we can see in each product if we're missing any data or if we want to change it. We can see here we're missing an EAN, so we can add it here. Here we're missing a length, so we can fill that out too. If we're missing the manufacturer, we can also add them here. We can also change the price. Once all the changes are made, we simply click Save, and the changes will be implemented. The next operations we can execute are related to artificial intelligence, and they were covered in Chapter 9. Next, we can create offers in the marketplace, which means we can make listings in a marketplace account directly from here. If we choose eBay, then we can list it there. Then we choose the type of listing we want to create. Please remember that you can also make listings directly in each integration's control panel. Once we click Execute, we'll be redirected to the listing creation from where we have more options available. We also have an option to create a product in an online store, associate it with a product in a shop or at a wholesaler, create a bundle from selected products, add products to a stock take, add them to a purchase order, or delete them. The first option, the Wizard, allows us to make many changes at the same time. After choosing Products Operations Wizard, we can select what we'd like to change. We can add a star to the products. We can set a specific category from preset categories we've already added to the warehouse. We can set up a specific manufacturer. We can also adjust the stock level, increase it, decrease it, or set a specific stock level. We can change the price. We can increase it, decrease it, or set a specific value. We can also round this price up. We can also set the VAT rate for all the selected items, change a text field. We can change the name, description, additional descriptions, and any additional fields we've added to the product card. Here we also have to choose the language and decide what type of change this will be. Do we want to insert a specific value, add a text to the beginning, to the end, or replace the phrase in the field value? We can also update the parameters here. For each language, we need to insert a parameter name, for example, length. We can make it a set value. We can remove it, and just like in the text field, we can add text to the beginning, to the end, or replace the phrase. Next, we can generate an AI text or cut the background out of the photo with the help of AI. You'll learn more about AI in the last chapter, chapter number 9.